Beauty Forever Hair has stepped it up. Y'all don't notice. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kyle Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. And let me just say, this is a winner Kai made dinner, okay? Because I ate, you hear me? Do you see how this wig looks on me? Gluelessly, listen, no glue. It's a closure wig. Just while I'm trying to be cute. Oh, that lace is real soft. Oh my gosh, that's like baby soft. What kind of lace is this? Tighten it down, lock it in place, and tuck up the excess. It will help hold it in place. But if you pull this joint, it's gonna come right off you. Just work our way. It's come with the finger coils on the end, but you know, once you wash the unit. Now with me fluffing this hair or picking through the hair, I could potentially create tangles in my unit. You're literally putting a comb in some hair and then yanking it down. So just imagine you're detangling your hair to that point. The rest of that, it just kind of sits. So even though it will give you that fullness and that fluffiness, as you wear the hair where you did not rake the comb through, it will start to mat around that area. That's where you get the tangling and, you know, excess shedding from when you go in to wash your wig again. Make sure that when you are detangling your unit, you detangle from the tip to the root. Pull it out, pull it out. It's not gonna be like super fluffy because again, this is a Burmese curly. Hairline looks great. Just gotta put my wig back down where it was. Hold it, bring it up. Fluff, 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 fluff. Okay, now we're done. Yeah.